We're covering the sales and marketing team one new thing in the last video on the video help is I want to make sure that we cover everything. We did talk about the money symbol, but we didn't go in detail and look at the product line. Let's go in and look at the product line. What this is, it's a series of screens that are included in the application where you can have your entire inventory of products that you offer. And you can have technical specification information. You can have pricing notes, and the bottom one down here is kind of interesting for salespeople. You may be asked at any one time who else is using this particular product. You can have a list, a running list of all the people that have purchased this from you, and this is a good marketing ploy where you say, well, look at all the people that have purchased this item from us. So it's a ongoing record of how many people or whatever companies or types of companies that are buying these particular products. Now I just created a sample record, and what I did, now PID is once again the first record in this particular salesman's group of clients. It has the name of the product that is in your group of products. It tells you the product category. In this case, I left it open where there's no drop down, basically because there are many thousands of different kinds of things that you and other companies may be manufacturing that is specific to different kinds of categories. For example, somebody may be doing doorknobs, another guy may be doing padlocks, so there could be anything in the world in this space. But it allows you to do a find based on the product category, or you can do a find on any word or phrase or numeric number in any one of these fields here. And that's true of this entire portal here. But you cannot do the find until you go to the individual portal record for the pictures in here. Now, what is this about? Pictures help to sell clients and provide better information as far as what the actual application may be, as far as how it looks. It'll raise questions and give you a chance to answer questions, because what is marketing and sales? It's answering questions in opposition to buying something. For example, if it has something underneath of it and it's something that will be a critical selling point, like it has a drawer or whatever, that would be the kind of things that you want to point out from the picture so that they understand. And at the same time, you could take pictures all the way around the product and keep adding them in here by tapping on this and then adding a new item in that screen. For example, when you come in here, you can add audio, a signature, a photo, music, or files. What you would normally do is you would go into your photos library and you'd say, okay, yeah, I want to use my photos library. And then you can go in there and pick anything that's currently in your photos library. In this case, this is stuff that is sample data that was added in the application, so you have something to actually pick. And we'll go back. And files, they are kind of limited, because basically what you want to do is have a thing that will locate files that are on your application or somewhere on your product on your iPad. In this case, there's only one thing listed in here, but as you add them and you put them here, it's going to give you a link to go to them from this portal. The same thing goes when you're looking at the information up here. The image date is the date the image was taken. Let's go ahead and click off of that. And you'll notice that self-highlights when you move between the records, so you can tell which record you're actually working in. There's a little place for small notes on it in this area. It has the name of the image, like it could be front, floor jack, whatever it might be, whatever the item is that you're putting in there. And it says property ID. This is the individual number for each one of these pictures that are in here. And they should not be edited. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the portal itself. And now you're looking at it in a full view. I got the wrong nomenclature here for the picture, but that's okay. I can go ahead and go and add that or edit it from here quite easily so that it's the correct one. And then some image notes like we started to do. You can put a little bit more of that in there. And what's kind of nice, if you have a website where you have more information here and you want to show it, you can click on that based on the URL that you put in there, and it's going to jump over and it's going to actually show you that website where you can actually cruise around through it and show that client information about what this thing will do and how it'll work. And if you even had a video on your website, you could run the video. So let's go ahead and say done and come back here. And now, obviously, I can navigate through the records within here. I can omit records. I can say I want to go to the first record or the next record and see what's there. I don't think I have very many records in here. There's the floor jack. I just had the wrong nomenclature. So I have a floor jack in this one. Now if I go back from the portal back to the product list, I can come over here and I can pick the floor jack, and now I'm in its record and I can see it here. I might want to shoot a picture of ancillary equipment that go with this for one reason or another, or maybe it's got a bag or a box that it goes in that it's usually in. You could add those photos in here. So technical specifications, pricing, and current owners of this product are helpful information that will help you to sell your products and keep, say like you had new salesmen coming in that you're going to learn how to use stuff. This gives them and arms them with the information as far as what they need in order to understand the product line. If you have any questions or you want to chat with me about something as far as the development or things that may be doing in the future on this application, go ahead and go to our developers website, and that is on the detail sheet, or it's at ontargetsolutions.biz, and that's with the http:// on the front of it. That's required or it will not find the website. So thank you for taking these videos.